In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transform in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are plenty of transformations in Sparking Zero. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check them and how to access every transformation available for the characters in the game. So you will know that a specific character can transform when you go over to select him and you see this information box, transformation information, and you will see the available transformations here. So you will only be able to transform with characters who have them listed here. If a particular character doesn't have any transformations listed, then you will not be able to transform. Keep that in mind. Most characters will be easily identifiable when you hover over them and you see this information box. So now you can select them and go inside of a match. Now, you will build your skill counter. It is going to be displayed at the top left next to your health. So you will start accumulating points here on this skill counter. It will start at 0 and then go to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. All that you have to do at this point to transform is to press up on the D-pad and you will see all of the transformations available for the character that you selected. And you can choose the transformation by pressing the corresponding button. So press up on the D-pad and then press the corresponding button. You will see the amount of skill counters that you have to use. So in this example here, you would use all of your skill counters to get this transformation, but if you chose this one at the left, it would only use 1. And you can't transform to the one at the right because it costs 3. So to keep it simple, press up on the D-pad while you are inside of a match. You will be able to see your skill counter at the top left corner of the screen and see how much it costs to transform. You can press R1 and L1 to browse through the other transformations available, and as long as you press up on the D-pad with a specific character that can transform, you will be able to use your skill counters to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to transform in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.